The two-seater electric bike with a robust 48V 20AH, 960Wh, large removable battery and a powerful 1300W peak motor is a game-changer in the realm of electric bikes. Designed for urban commuting, leisure rides, and even short excursions, it combines comfort, power, and practicality, making it an attractive option for both individuals and couples. Design and build quality. The first thing that strikes you about this electric bike is its solid construction. Crafted from high-quality materials, it exudes durability while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. The design incorporates a comfortable seat that accommodates two riders, making it perfect for couples or friends who want to share their ride. The frame is sturdy yet lightweight, allowing for easy maneuverability without compromising on strength. The bike's overall design is ergonomic, with an adjustable seat and handlebars that cater to different heights and riding preferences, ensuring comfort during longer rides. Performance and power. Equipped with a 1300W peak motor, this electric bike delivers impressive performance. It accelerates quickly and effortlessly, making it ideal for city commuting where quick starts are often necessary. The bike is capable of reaching speeds that make it competitive with traditional vehicles, allowing for a fast and smooth ride even in busy traffic. The motor's torque is exceptional, providing ample power to tackle hills and inclines without straining the bike or its riders. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking on more challenging terrain, this bike maintains stability and control. Battery life and range. The 48V 20AH, 960Wh, removable battery is one of the standout features of this electric bike. It boasts a substantial capacity that allows for extensive use between charges, perfect for longer rides or daily commuting. Depending on the terrain and riding conditions, users can expect a range of approximately 40 to 60 miles on a single charge. This impressive range alleviates the common concern of battery life, enabling riders to embark on longer journeys without the anxiety of running out of power. The removable design of the battery is another practical feature, allowing users to charge it conveniently off the bike, which is especially useful for apartment dwellers or those without easy access to charging stations. Safety features. Safety is paramount when it comes to electric bikes, and this model does not disappoint. It is equipped with reliable front and rear disc brakes that provide excellent stopping power, enhancing safety during high-speed rides or emergency stops. The bike also features bright LED lights for visibility during nighttime rides, and reflective strips on the frame further contribute to safety by making the bike more noticeable to others. Additionally, the tires are designed for good traction and stability, ensuring a secure ride whether you are on paved roads or unpaved pathways. User experience. Riding the two-seater electric bike is an enjoyable experience. The electric assist feature allows riders to choose how much power they want to utilize, making it adjustable for varying fitness levels or preferences. The bike also includes different speed settings, allowing riders to customize their experience based on their surroundings. This flexibility is a significant advantage, especially for those who may not be physically conditioned for long rides or steep hills. Furthermore, the bike's weight capacity is impressive, making it suitable for a variety of riders without compromising its performance. The comfortable seating means that long journeys can be tackled with minimal discomfort, enhancing the overall user experience. Conclusion. In summary, the two-seater electric bike with a 48V 20AH removable battery and a 1300W peak motor excels in performance, design, and user-friendliness. With its ample power, impressive range, and focus on safety, it is an excellent choice for anyone looking to invest in an electric bike that can accommodate more than one rider. Whether used for daily commuting, leisurely rides, or adventurous outings, this bike does it all with style and efficiency. For couples or friends, it adds a new dimension to shared experiences, making travel fun and exciting. Overall, this electric bike is a superb investment for those